Hello guys, good morning once again. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest update on LPA 98W. And this is for this Friday morning, July 21, 2023. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion, and our Honorable Congressman Gabi Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. Well, 98W is still organizing, and it's now becoming better as we speak at this time. And any moment, it could become a tropical depression, and it's likely to move slowly to the east of Luzon. The forecast models has been trending now towards to the north in the area of Taiwan and Okinawa, and also areas of Batanes and Northern Cagayan. That's the new trend, and we thank God for this, but it's still uncertain since it's still more than 3 days to go, and let's hope that it will continue to be this way. Okay, and here's the graph set as we issued this yesterday afternoon, Thursday, and this is 98W still continue to consolidate. This is much less organized as we created this around 5 p.m. But the latest now, I'm going to show to you in a while, the cloudiness is now better organized, so a sign that the system will be upgraded anytime by PAGASA, and also the Joint Typhoon Warning Center of the United States will be issuing a tropical cyclone formation alert. Yesterday morning, the Japan Meteorological Agency is now issuing updates on this tropical depression, and the track is identical to ours, since we created this for Wednesday evening. And here's the new track that we issued early this evening, and as this is based on the Stormwatch number 2 that we created around 10 p.m. This is as of 8 p.m. And here we go. As forecasted, the storm has accelerated towards the northeast, and it happened. And right now it's roughly 800 kilometers to the east of Naga City, and it's still carrying winds of 35 kph, and once it reaches 45, it will become a tropical depression actually any moment. And this morning or late this morning, it will be upgraded into a tropical depression. So this is now the new track compared to yesterday. This is our track yesterday. As you can see, the track was still more towards Batanes, but track number 2 is now more to the north. As you can see here, it's now moving in the general direction of Taiwan and Okinawa area, and most likely in the vicinity, and including the Yama and Mishigaki-jima areas. Okay, so that's the new track. I hope that this will continue to be the trend. Okay, and still the window of uncertainty covers area of northern Cagayan up to Okinawa. So this is now the new trend. Let's hope and pray it will remain this way. Okay, so it will just enhance the southwest monsoon if it follows this track. Okay, especially beginning Monday and Tuesday, the southwest monsoon will start to be enhanced by this system. So even though we are not directly affected, except for these areas of Batanes and Northern Cagayan, where the tropical storm force winds will be expected 75 to 100 kph gust, because this system is quite large. Okay, up to 1,000 kilometers in diameter based on the wind model, and the southwest monsoon will be enhanced by this system beginning Monday and likely throughout the week. And we will continue to monitor this system. It's likely to become a powerful typhoon once it reaches the North Philippine Sea sometime Tuesday next week. Okay. So the good news is that the track of the European model formerly here is now tracking the system towards here. Okay, since we are continue to blend all the computer models, this is now the track. Same with Japan Meteorological Agency, Pagasa, and JTWC is yet to issue their own tracks. Okay, and here's the European model fast animation. This is the model, and as you can see, this is now the southwest monsoon that is expected to be enhanced beginning Monday through Tuesday or Wednesday. So expect on and off rainfall to occur over western Visayas, here western Visayas, Mimaropa, and western Luzon, as this typhoon is expected to, as it passes over the North Philippine Sea. Here's the European model ensemble. So this is now the new track moving towards extreme northern Luzon, while the American model is moving towards the Yayama and Okinawa island chain. It looks like the American model or GFS is becoming better when it comes to forecasting the tracks of tropical cyclones. Sometimes so this is just one of those scenario that the American model is having some accurate forecast, but most of the time it's the European model. So we'll wait and see what will be the outcome. But this is now the 8 p.m. This is the 8 a.m. The 8 p.m. of the European model will be arriving in the next few hours, but we are asleep now. We will be likely in sleep mode at the time, and we will let you know on the next update. Okay, and here's the fast animation, and for the past 6 hours it's now intensifying. Here comes now the blob. That's the sign that it's nearing or could be a tropical depression. Actually, Japan is already a tropical depression, so any moment Pagasa might upgrade this, and it's along the Philippine area of responsibility. It continues to move on a northeast track, and most likely it will track this way. Okay, so that will be the window of track of this system. So stay tuned for more updates on that. Here's the zoom in satellite animation. As you can see, the development of this system. The center of this storm, or the potential EGAY, is right here. It's the low level center is being sheared to the west of the convection or the circulation, and this part of the circulation is yet to develop. So that's now the beginning of the development of soon to be EGAY. Okay, and then the Monsoon Trough continues to bring on and off thunderstorms across southern Luzon, Bicol Region, Visayas, and parts of Mindanao. So we will keep you updated from time to time, and watch out for more updates. And here's the rain forecast until Tuesday. So this afternoon, Friday, we expect another round of thunderstorms in various sections of the country. Saturday afternoon, we again expect more thunderstorms across Bicol Region, Visayas, Central Luzon, Mindanao, because of the trough. Okay, that's the trough. And then here comes the storm moving west-northwest. Sunday afternoon, it will start to move towards the northwest. The outermost rain bands, together with its trough, will continue to bring thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening across Bicol and eastern Visayas. Monday afternoon, the system will now be affecting the eastern sections of Cagayan Valley, if the track of European model will continue this way. But if it moves towards this direction, it will be lesser. Okay, the effects will be lesser. But look at this. This is now the southwest monsoon. Those who are asking if the southwest monsoon will be enhanced, absolutely, because we are now in the middle of the monsoon season, particularly July and August. And since this is a large system and we are on the wet mode of the Madden-Julian oscillation, the convection across the Western Pacific and the West Philippine Sea continues to increase. Therefore, the southwest monsoon will again be active. So, folks down there over Western Visayas, Iloilo, Guimaras, Negros, Mindoro, Palawan, Coron as well. Please take all necessary precautions for possible flooding generated by this on and off rainfall of the monsoon beginning Monday. And then on Tuesday, it will continue to affect these areas. And it will shift towards Western Luzon from Ilocos Region down to Batangas. So that will be the effects of the monsoon, on and off rains. Also, the Bicol Region will not be spurred by this on and off rainfall of the southwest monsoon, since this system has a diameter of 1,000 kilometers across. Okay, and Wednesday, more rainfall will be expected over Cagayan Valley, Ilocos Region, Cordillera Administrative Region, and also the western sections of Central Luzon and Mindoro, becoming more frequent over Sablayan, Occidental Mindoro, and other parts of Occidental Mindoro like Lubang and Mamburao. Okay, so that's the scenario on by next week. Okay, due to the approach of this system, let's hope and pray that the track of the European model will continue to move more to the north, like the one GFS has done. Okay, and but rest assured, let's all be prepared. Even though the storm is not going to directly affect the Philippines, if knock on wood, it happens, knock on wood, that this system will not return to its track towards Luzon. Okay, so we'll keep you updated tomorrow. I'll be back to give you more updates from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua saying good night to all. Have a great day ahead. And we'll see you again tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching our channel.